Let's take an example. U of two goods, or rather utility of two goods, is given as x1 into x2. So how do we construct this kind of a utility function? Let's take a situation where x1 into x2 is equal to 9. Let's plot this. So this will be something like this, and you can label it as 9, meaning the product of x1 into x2 is 9 all across this path, or all across this indifference curve, if you remember our earlier discussion on indifference curves. Now let's say I want to change this to 10. So what I will do is I will make something like this and label it as 10. Let me decrease it to 7. So it will be something like this. So if you go in this direction, you're increasing both the quantities, so naturally your utility will increase. More is better. And if you go in this direction, you're decreasing both the quantities, so definitely you will move towards a lesser value of utility function. When I give you that utility u prime of x1, x2 is equal to x1 into x2 whole square. Is there some connection between these two utility functions? If you're careful, you can see that u prime is just equal to u square. Why? Because you see this guy is this, which is this. So this is a monotonic transformation. Under monotonic transformation, the underlying preferences are reserved, which means that you take u prime or u, your preference relationship will not change. So you will be using the same preference. So just the utility values will change, but every bit of analysis will remain the same. So if you look at this diagram, in this particular situation, I can just label this 9 as 81 because this is square, and this 10 as 100, and this 7 as 49, and we will move to a new value of utility function, but the underlying preference structure will remain the same.